Welcome to
Welcome to
Miss
Miss
Maya
Maya's
and
and
Miss
Miss
Vivian's
Vivian's math
math
class.
class.
Today
Today
we're
we'll be
learning
learning
about
about
area.
area. What is area? Area is the amount of space inside a 2D shape and can be measured by counting how many equal-sized squares can fit perfectly inside it.
There are also terms that we can use to describe area. These can include large, wide, narrow, small, equal, more, or less.
When we measure area, we use squares to find out how much space a shape covers. Each square stands for 1 unit of area. By counting all the squares inside a shape, we can determine its area. Now let's try this together. Let's count how many squares cover this area. 1, 2, 3, 4. This shape has 4 square units.
Another way we can calculate area is by using grids.
For example, look at this 1 centimeter grid, and to calculate the area, we can count 3 centimeters across the length and 3 centimeters down the width. This means that 3 times 3 will equal 9 centimeters squared.
Now let's measure this classroom. When we count our length, we get 10 square units. When we count our width, we get 5 square units. The area of the classroom floor is 10 times 5, which equals 50 square units.
So what happens when we don't have grids to help us? Well, we can still find the area, but by using a formula instead. For example, to solve the area of a rectangle, we can use the formula length times width. Let's solve the area of this rectangle. We will need to multiply 4 by 2, which equals 8 centimeters squared. Now, it's your turn. Try the next few questions on your own and count how many squares cover each shape. How many squares did it count in this shape? The correct answer should be 14 square units. Let's try another one. How many squares did you count in this shape? The correct answer should be 11 square units.
Did you know we can see area everywhere? In our bedrooms, bathrooms, and our kitchens. Your final task, mathematicians, is to try and help Mr. Reader with his garden problem. Can you help Mr. Reader find out how many plants he'll need for his new garden? Remember, only one plant can fit in 1 square meter. Good luck, mathematicians! Thanks for
Thanks for
joining
joining
Miss
Miss
Maya and
Maya
Miss
and Miss
Vivian's math
Vivian's math
class.
class.